In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Calendar invites by email. To get started, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the main calendar screen, look for the Create button, which is usually located near the upper left area of the page. Click it and then choose Event. This opens the event details window where you can set up everything needed for your invitation. Next, type in the event name. Make the title clear and specific so your guests immediately understand what the meeting or event is about when they receive the invite. After that, enter the date and time for the event. Be especially careful here, because the time you choose is what your guests will see in their invitation email and on their own calendars. If needed, take an extra second to confirm that the correct day, start time, and end time are selected before moving on. Once the basic event details are filled in, find the Add Guests box. This is the section where you'll enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type each guest's email address into the box. As you add them, Google Calendar will attach those recipients to the event so they can receive the invitation by email. If you're inviting multiple people, make sure each address is entered correctly to avoid delivery issues. After you've added your guests, review the event one more time. Check the event name, date, time, and guest list for accuracy. This quick review helps prevent confusion later and ensures everyone receives the correct meeting information. When everything looks good, click Save. At that point, Google Calendar will process the event and send invitation emails to the guests you added. Those guests will be able to view the event details and respond to the invitation from their email or calendar. And that's all it takes to send Google Calendar invites by email. It's a simple process, but paying attention to the event details before saving can make a big difference in keeping everyone informed and organized. Once you've done it a couple of times, creating events and sending invitations becomes a fast and reliable part of scheduling anything from meetings to personal plans.